Damn, I ain't pick going psycho. Lil' mama bad like Michael. Can't really trust nobody with all this jewelry on you. My roof look like a no-show.
Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today I filmed this DIY eyelash extension video. Eyelash extensions can be extremely expensive. Like, you can spend maybe $250 for eyelash extensions, and honestly they only last 2 weeks, and then you have to keep getting them refilled, which is like another $100, and it's just very expensive. This hack was literally $3.99, and I prefer to do this method because I don't want to spend all my coin on eyelash extensions, okay? I do love the look of eyelashes, but putting on strips every day can be time consuming. So these last about 2 weeks, the same amount of time eyelash extensions would last you. But however, these are $3.99 instead of paying $250. So if you would like to see how I did my eyelash extensions, then keep on watching. So all you'll need is a pair of lash strips, some lash glue, a pair of tweezers, and a pair of eyebrow scissors. And when you look for the lash, you want to make sure that the lash has those little slits in there. It just makes it easy for you to know exactly where you're supposed to cut. And I'm just going to put like a drop of glue on that cardboard that the eyelashes came in. And I'm going to start at the the end of that lash and just cut a slit. And you want to make sure that you place that glue on the top of the lash because the lash is going under your natural lash line. And you just want to place it on your lash line. And as you're placing the lash there, you want to just make sure you kind of push the lash into your lash line just to make sure it sticks in the correct place. And that's basically all you do. You just keep cutting and keep placing the lash next to each other. So basically that's all you do. You just want to keep cutting until you get to the desired place you want to stop at. I know for me, I stop right before my eye corner because I just want it to be comfortable for me. And this is how they look so far. And this literally takes like 30 minutes, guys. It's really, really easy. So as I'm placing my lashes, I'm just going to take my fingers and stick the lashes together. And this is how they came out. I love the way these turned out. They're super pretty, super fun, and super affordable. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Remember to smash that notification bell so you'll know when I upload, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
And I'm like, whoa.